Here's the Elliott wave forecast for September 12th, 2011 on the Dow 4-hour chart. The futures are down about 150 in the Dow, or down 90 actually. So it looks like we're going to be testing at least 10,800 to the downside. If we break through 10,600, not only will my bottom call be negated, we would actually drop to as low as 10,000 in the Dow. It'll be wave 1, wave 2, and wave 3. That's an inverse pattern break, and yeah, too bad. But I'm actually rooting for it to go down because I have TZA. I have 8,000 shares of TZA. And even if Apple and Amazon go down, which are my other positions, then TZA would rise faster than the loss that I'd probably be getting in the Amazon and Apple. So I'm actually rooting for I'm actually short. So not short as in I shorted stock. I actually bought. TZA is the triple short ETF. So if you're long the TZA, that means you're short the market. You're short the overall market, or at least short the Russell. Anyway, yeah, this is 1, 2, 3. We drop below 10,600 this week. We could drop as low as 10,000 and downward 3. And if you hold 10,600, great, and then rally, and go sideways, that's fine too. But it does not look. The chart does not look good anymore because the past couple days we rallied right up to 0.786 and then we failed. And European markets have a lot of bad fundamental news right now. So don't get mad if you think, oh, he called the bottom and it didn't occur, because I mean I called at least the bottom of the A wave, which this could be a B wave before C wave down. So at least, I mean, we got the bottom of the A wave, so there should be a C wave down at least. In S&P. Yeah, at least he got the A wave over with, and you know there's the last wave down would be a C wave. Don't know how long the C wave can go. I don't think it's going to drop to like 935 or 0.618 is support is 935 of the entire rally from 666 in the S&P to around 1380 in the S&P. So 935 is 0.61 support, but if we drop below 1104 this week, S&P could drop to as low as 1050. Maybe wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. So I'm not being excessively bullish or bearish. I just have to call it the way I see it. And because we failed, if we had a big third wave rally, I wouldn't be talking bearish right now. But the failure last Friday was pretty bad. So we dropped, and then we dropped below 0.786, and a break of 1136, which is happening right now in the futures, means that we could test 1104 and drop in a downward 3. Again, downward 3 with target as low as 1050 in the S&P. For NASDAQ. Worst case scenario is 1, 2, 3, which is break 2340 and then test at least 2200 to the downside. That'd be wave 1, wave 2, wave 3. So at least I called the bottom the A wave and got a B wave, so this is going to be a C wave, right? So A, bottom of A wave, B wave, and then C wave. So you got to watch the futures. So if NASDAQ drops below 2340, you can see those targets of 2200 in NASDAQ. For S&P, you can see 1050 if we drop below 1104. And for Dow, we can see as low as 10,000 if we drop below 10,600. That's a wrap.